considering three different notations P, Q and R, and I am saying that let be any regular expression. When these two regular expressions are going to be equal, when regular expression P is equal to Q or equivalent to Q, दो regular expression equivalent कब हो सकते हैं? If I say P is one regular expression, Q is another regular expression, when these P and Q will be equivalent, or when P is a, for example, P is a regular grammar, Q is another regular grammar, when I can say that these P and Q regular grammars are equivalent? Same language. Okay. So if P and Q are the two, here in this case we are considering as a regular expression, these two will be equivalent when they generated their generated language generated by P is very much equivalent to the language generated by Q. When these two will be equivalent, then when the language will be equal, then we can say that these two regular expressions are equal. Okay? So further, we will see the identities for regular expression. Identities are nothing but they are simple rules. Okay? They are the formulas, or we can say the truths. By using these formulas, you will be able to simplify the regular expression. If the regular expression is given to you and it is asked to you to simplify it, then you will be needed some of the formulas which really helps you to bring that regular expression into some simplified form. Okay? So one by one we will see that. So here I consider null plus null. Two nulls I am adding, or you can say null or null. What is the equivalent? Null. So here you see, this is one regular expression, this is another regular expression. Here in this case you can consider this as a P and this is a Q. I am saying that this is equivalent to this when if this whatever the language this is generating, the similar language should be generated by the right hand side. Okay? So another identity I can consider. So null plus any regular expression A, what is the equivalent? Null plus A is A. Third, null plus null into 5. What it is? Null into 5 or null and 5. It is equal to 5. Third identity, fourth identity I can consider. Null into null or null and null. This is null. For you, if suppose R is one regular expression, R or R, what is it? R is any regular expression and that I odd with the same regular expression I odd, then the equivalent one is R. Sixth identity I can consider. You can say P star. What was the next one? P star. What it is? P star P. So when P is any regular expression. Here R is any regular expression. P star whole star. This is P star. This is equivalent to P star. So further, null plus P star. Null plus P star. It is equal to P star. The ninth identity, if P plus Q star, this is equivalent to what? The equivalence is P star Q star whole star, or this is again equivalent to P star plus Q star whole star. Tenth one is, if PQ star P, see here, PQ whole star and P, this is equivalent to PQP star. P plus QR, this is equal to PR plus QR. Or in this way, the distribution rule you can also have this way, RP plus RQ. If you are having this regular expression like this, you can distribute it this way. Okay? If you are having a regular expression like PQ whole star and the same P, what the P you are having inside this bracket, the same P you are having outside, then this way you can group that. PQP star. So all these, yes? These identities you need to cross verify yourself by considering any P value as anything, any regular expression. For example, in this case P I am considering as 0, Q I am considering as 0, 1. Randomly I am considering regular expression. 0 is my regular expression. 0, 1 is a regular expression. R is suppose for example 0, 1 star. So simply replace, you take any regular expression, for example fifth identity if you want to see, just pick any, the value of R here is 0, 1 star plus 0, 1 star. So what is the equivalent of it? What language this particular regular expression can generate? 0, any number of ones. Okay? So in a regular expression, what various sentences it can generate? 0. If I select this as a, here R is there, I can go for selecting this or this. Okay? So in that case, what sentences I can generate? If I select this one, then where I will select 0 here and 0 number of ones. In that case, 0 only the string I produced. Another case, I can have I can select this particular, in the second time I am generating a string by using this regular expression, where I am selecting out of these two this one. Here I will select 0 and 1 time 1. So what I will generate? 0 1. In third time I am going for generating a sentence out of this regular expression. In that case, out of these two regular expression I have to select one because it is odd. So here I am selecting what? 0 2 times 1. So if I see this, when I will come to this regular expression to generate a particular sentence, at that time out of these two sub regular expression I need to select 1. And when I am selecting 1, in that case I am able to generate the string 0 or 01 or 011 or 0111 this way. Get it? So by having only the string, only the regular expression 01 star, is it possible to generate the string which already I am having generated by using this regular expression? So by using this regular expression also, same set of sentences I am able to generate. That is why this regular expression like 01 star plus 01 star, this is equivalent to 01 star. That is why here this identity is written, R plus R is equal to R. Similar way, you can go for checking this particular identity. You take P star, make it whole star. See what set of sentences that generate. Here this identity says that whatever the set of sentences this particular left hand side of expression generate, same set of sentences the right hand side of expression generates. You may check, okay, as an exercise at home. You see every identity is working or not. Do you do that? Do you do that? करेंगे ना? इसमें से कोई कौन सा टिपिकल लग रहा है आपको बोलिए? We will go for that one. Ninth one? Yes. Here P, Q and R I have taken, but for example, I will go for looking P plus Q, or you can say P is what? 0, Q is what? 0 plus 1, whole star. Let us generate the set of string. Okay? With this regular expression, what are the various strings I can generate? This is a what? This is a closure. 0 or more than 0 times I can go for collecting the what? The symbol here. So if I am collecting for 0 time, then what? It becomes what? Null. The very first thing if this particular regular expression generates null. In case star I am considering as a 0. If I consider one time, the star as a one time, then what strings I can generate? 0 or 0. For first time I selected 0, I generated 0. Second time with star as a 1, I will select the second part. In that case I will generate 0. Fine. Now I will consider star as a value 2. In that case I can remain in this bracket for 2 times. Okay, 2 loops I can set this particular bracket for 2 times. If I consider this star as a 2, in the first attempt I may consider this out of this 0 or 0 1 I consider 0. In second attempt, what should I consider? I may consider 0 again. This is one case. In another case, in the first attempt I may consider 0. In second attempt I consider 0 1. In third case, in first attempt I will consider it as a 0 1, and in second attempt I consider as a 0. In fourth case, 4 cases I can have here. In fourth case, I can select 0 1 in the first attempt. In second attempt, again I consider for 0 1 in the second attempt. So what various string I receive when the star's value is 2 is 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0. In this way you can go on considering this star value as a 3 4 5 any number of times. So by having this much number of strings with you, then you further go for checking this, getting this. Okay, P star, Q star, O star. In that case, what would be my regular expression? 0 star, 0 1 whole star, whole star. Q in Q star means here I need to take 0 1 whole star, and to whole bracket it is again a closure. So go on generating the string out of this particular regular expression. So I will consider star as a 0 for the first time. In that case, nothing you can go for selecting any of a symbol. Any of a symbol you won't get here. So in that case, I will get null. When I will consider star as a 1, so for one time I will be able to enter into this bracket. Once I enter into this bracket, what I can have here? Again I consider whether I can consider this star as a 0, 1, 2, 3 this way. Here again star is I have. Okay. In the first case, I may consider, if I consider this inside this star, outside star I consider as a 0. Okay. I entered into this bracket by considering closure as a 0. So again I have 2 stars. So one case is that these 2 stars I can consider as a 0. Okay. In that case, I will get again null. Okay. So another case is what? I can consider this as a 1 and this is a 0. Third case, this is 1, this is 0 and this is 1. Fourth case, this is 1 and this is 1. Are you getting? So when you consider this as a 1 and this as a 0, closure as a 0, at that time you will get what? 1 0. You consider this star as a 0, means it is null. 1 0. Second case, you consider this as a 0 1, this is a 1 and this star as a 0. At that time, this you will find null. And here we get 0 1 as a string. Getting? When this outer closure you are considering as a 1. ठीक है ना? जब outer closure 1 consider कर रहे हैं, 0 consider कर रहे हैं तो you cannot go for considering this is 0 or 1 or 0 or 1. Are you understanding? When outer closure you are considering as a 0, there is no meaning to consider this star as a 0, 1, 2 or anything. Outer closure value is 0, it means that you are not at all allowed to enter into this bracket. Are you understanding? So by considering the outer closure as a 1, we are getting into producing the string out of the regular expression. ठीक है? तो हम लोगों को क्या मिला? जब इसको 1 कंसीडर किया, इन दोनों को 0 0 0 1 1 0 और 1 1 इस तरह से कंसीडर किया. जब 0 0 कंसीडर 0 0 केस हमने देखा तो क्या मिला आप लोगों को? नल मिला. 0 1 देखा तो 0 1 मिला. 1 0 तो 0 मिल गया. When you consider both are 1 1, then what will have? 0 0 1. Okay. So again, यहाँ पे देखिए, you are still inside this loop. Okay. When you consider this as a 0 1 and this as a 1 and produce the string, what happens? The resultant string you got is this much only. So being this star as a 1, you can consider this as a 2, this as a 0, and this is 0, this is 2, this is 2, or this is 2. Still this star is 1. Are you understanding? समझ में आ रहा है क्या? This star is only the first attempt. This by having this star value as a 1, you entered into here, but being there again star, you can have any number of iteration you can do with 0, or any number of iteration you can do with 0, 1. Not necessary that this star should be not necessary that to do this multiple loop here, you are required to have this closure as a value 2. जरूरत नहीं है. By having this one star, again only you can have these 2 zeros you can generate and 2 0 1 0 1 you can generate. समझ में आ रहा है? Please correct this. Something typical is there. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? Boys. असाइनमेंट करो. सबमिशन चल रहा है. Please stand up, please. Tell me what is where we are actually discussing. What is the next time? When I will consider this star as a 1 and this as a 2, this star as a 2 and this star as a 0. Tell me what the string you will generate. It is 0 0. Okay? 0 0. 0 1 0 1. When you consider this as a 2, this as a 2 0, then 0 0 you will have. 0 2, in that case 0 1 0 1 you will have. When you will have this is 2 2 2 0 0 0 1 0 1. And again it is not necessary you always to have 2 2. You may have this way 1 2 2 1. This way again you can have. इसको एक बार रिपीट किया, इसको दो बार रिपीट किया, इसको दो बार किया, इसको एक बार किया, इसको दो बार किया. This is also a combination. Getting? So what do you see that? एक हम लोग what we will do? This is the actual set of string which has been generated by this particular regular expression. Which one? किधर गया वो? P plus Q star. This was the regular expression. This set of strings we have generated by using this particular regular expression. Then these are the set of strings generated by using by having this regular expression. Or are these two set of strings are equal or not? Equal है क्या? 0 is there, 0 is there, none is there, none is there. 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 is there. 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 is there. 0 1 0 कहाँ से आ गया? यहाँ से 0 1 0 कैसे जनरेट किए? 0 1 and then 0. Yes. Here 0 1. This is for one time. Okay. This is for one time. And this is for कैसे मिलेगा? 0 1 0 कैसे मिलेगा यहाँ पे बताइए? Sit down please. How do we get 0 1 0? Yes. इस रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन से 0 1 0 कैसे जनरेट करेंगे आप? 0 2. In that case, this star has to be considered as 2. 2 times we need to enter into this loop. In the first entry, what we will do? We will consider this as a 0 and this star as a 1. We will produce 0 1. Okay. So in the second entry, I again enter into this bracket. In that case, I will consider this star as a 1 and this 0 1, this star as a 0. In that case, I will get 0. So previously I got 0 1. In second entry, I got 0. So in this way, 0 1 0 can also be produced by using this regulation. 0 1 0 1. How could I get 0 1 0 1? Again this star I need to कैसे? How can I have 0 1 0 1? There are two ways. By two ways I can come to this. I can consider this star as a 1 and I will enter into this particular bracket where I consider this star as a 0 and I will this 0 1 I will run by two times. I consider this star as a 2. So 0 1 0 1 I will get. Okay. Another way, I consider the outer bracket as a 2 where I will get entry for 2 times in this bracket. In the first entry, I consider this as a 0 and this as a 1. I produce 0 1. In the second entry, again I consider this as a 0 and this as a 1. I again get 0 1. So in this way I can get the total string as a 0 1 0 1. Okay. So are you convinced that this particular regular expression 0 star means 0 star and 0 1 star whole star is equivalent to 0 plus 0 1 whole star? All the strings generated by this particular expression are exactly generated by this regular expression. By doing this simple a verification. See, another simple way what to consider this star is there, or it is how can you look at these two regular expressions like that? 0 star 0 plus 0 1 whole star, this is equivalent to 0 star 0 1 whole star इस तरह से है. So can you look at this regular expression like this? See, the star is outside common to this two regular expression. Here I am having 0 plus 0 1 means what? 0 or 0 1. Exactly this kind of behavior I can find in this part of regular expression. 0 star, even though I am having an and here in between these two sub expression, they are acting like a or, because 0 star, 0 star and 0 1 star, it is equivalent to 0 star or 0 1 whole star. कैसे? See, when I consider this particular star as a something 1 and I consider this star as a 0, then what it makes? I am selecting only one out of these two. And when I am considering this closure as a 1 and this closure as a 0, it clearly again means that out of these two, only 0 1 I am selecting. Exactly what I am doing here in this part of expression. Here you are able to select 0 or 0 1, not both. Any one of these two you are able to select. Exactly same kind of behavior I can find in this case. Okay? So that is why these two regular expressions are equivalent. And P star plus Q star whole star, and this is again equivalent to say 0 star plus 0 1 whole star. In this case also you can see that here already what you are having here 0 star plus 0 1 whole star. Here you are having a OR. as like or you are having here you are having or, so it means that out of these two sub expression any one of expression you can select. But it is 0 star means what 0 star here I am having this 0 star effect I am getting again itself in this case 0 star. I am able to have any number of zeros. Once I select 0, any number of zeros I can have. This 0 star effect I am getting in this expression. What I am getting here, the same effect I am getting in this expression also. 0 1 star, 0 or more than 0 number of times I can repeat with 0 1. That effect again I am getting in this expression also. Okay, this is overall observation I am doing. By this observation, what I can conclude that this regular expression is really equivalent to this one. You can do the experimentation as like we did, okay, to check the equality of this expression with this one. Shall we do that? Fine. Any more? Any more? Have you understood this eighth one? Have you understood this one? P star is equivalent to P star P. So have you understood this one? Because this is the equivalence we are really going to use in the further discussion. Null plus P star is equal to P star.